think I'm recording. All right. Look what I have here. All hazards, NOAA weather alert, emergency alert radio with a whatever, solar and crank. The model number is CR1009 Pro. Let's go in there with a knife and open this up. So what is odd to me, let me open this here like this. As I got this package, I got this thing from Amazon, that this is loose in here. You cannot see this, but the whole radio in there is loose. So I don't know actually what's happening here. And then you see how this is folded in weird. See this, how it is like. Look at this. This is all loose in here. There it is. And that. You can hook this up to you. I don't know where to put this. And then here is a charge cable. This is actually not USB-C. This is like a different connector. You see it. Okay. Let's put the box out of the way. And an interesting picture on the box is this here. So this is you, and you're gonna run, and this is disaster striking in New York. Looks like New York. High-rise buildings, lightning in there, all hell breaks loose there, and then you need this radio. This is of tactical advantage for you to have that. And it's for every single hazard. I just want you to keep this in mind. Okay. Oh, moly, here, look at this manual. So there's a lot of manual for this. Hey, I have to focus you a little bit here. The better? So this is how the manual looks like. And then in here, look at that. A whole lot of stuff written. And so this would be something like a movie, a video. You have this here. A video about how to use this thing. Look at this. It shows a charging thing. It's lights. It's on. Oh, because my lights here hit this, and that already makes a charge. That's kind of amazing. Then here is the crank handle, where you can charge batteries with. I don't know how often you have to crank. It stays in there, okay. Then here, we have batteries in here, but there is no batteries in here. I don't know if you can see this here. Let's focus on this. I focus on this now. LR03 size, AAA 1.5 volt goes in here. I'm gonna put this back. Oh, yeah, it's more. Need to focus again. Look at that. Model number, power source, 5 volt 2 amp. Customer service. Okay, and like this. Doesn't look really waterproof, right? You would think an emergency radio would be waterproof. What's here? an SOS button, a light button. Here. There's a USB, a headphone jack, a 5-volt output where you can charge your phone with, maybe. If your phone still works, you don't need this whole thing, right? Yeah, there is a flashlight in here. LED light, well, I don't know. Power. Here, power. You can turn power on, and the lithium-ion battery in here is charged. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know what WX is. Oh. FM. If you push and hold, it searches. Nice. Look how... There it goes. Volume 01. What is WX alert? On. Band. Oh, AM here. AM radio. Look at this. Okay. Okay, so that seems to work. Oh, there is some lock situation coming on. How do you turn it off? I can only imagine push and hold. Push and hold locks this. So I have no idea right now how to turn it off. But this video is not about having ideas. This video is to check out what this all means. There's the light button. Look at that. Then this thing. Light. Dimmer. Off. Here's an SOS thing. Look at that. What is this here? This is also a light button, but I don't know what that means. Is this a light button for this here? This could be the button for here. I don't know. I have to read the manual. But yeah. So, okay. And then you can close this up. Here, and then it has this antenna, right? You know this from old radios. Oh, that's smooth. Smooth in and out. Okay, then. Yeah, so it is receiving. That is the handle on top of the solar is a little awkward. Look, all of a sudden the battery is full. Weird, right? It wasn't full in the beginning, and now it's full. I didn't charge it. Checking it, it's good, yeah. But then again, so as I said, oh, look at this. Look, or maybe this is the button. Yeah. So the button on here is for those LEDs. Look at that. There's LEDs behind the solar panel, and you can adjust the solar panel to depending on where the sun comes from to make this more effective, maybe? That's a neat little radio, I have to tell you. Now, all what happens if there is a real emergency, this is going to save my butt. I have to find out, though, what those batteries are good for here on the side. Oh, I can't open it anymore. Oh, there it is. What's happening in here and why? That's what I would love to know. But I guess we see this in the next video. I don't know how to turn this off. I was thinking like when you hold here, but that obviously is not the case. So it stays on for good, I don't know. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's already 10 minutes. And I guess you will see more in the next video when I try to charge this thing outside in the sun to see how long it takes to charge. Now the best thing what I can do here is to turn this light on. Maybe I turn this light on here. Doesn't work. Or because it's locked. This light on and this light on. Both lights are on. And then we can find out how fast this battery deteriorates, how long this is gonna illuminate things. And then once it's dead, I'm gonna put it in the sun outside and we see how long it takes to charge. Alright? So now I really see you in the next video about this. Just subscribe and find out more later.